upbeat, and friendly tone. Hey there, lovely ladies! Today I'm diving into a topic that's super important for your hormonal health: boosting your progesterone levels naturally. Now, low progesterone can lead to a bunch of issues like irregular periods, mood swings, and even infertility. But don't worry, I've got some easy tips that can help. First up, let's talk diet. Eating foods rich in vitamin B6, zinc, and magnesium can do wonders for your progesterone levels. Think along the lines of leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Oh, and don't forget about healthy fats. Avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon are fantastic choices. Next, let's cover stress. Stress is a big hormone disruptor. When your cortisol levels are high, your progesterone levels can take a hit. So incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. Yoga, meditation, or even just a relaxing bath can make a big difference. Remember, taking time for yourself isn't selfish, it's essential. Now let's not forget about sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your body needs that downtime to balance hormones and rejuvenate. If you're struggling with sleep, try creating a bedtime routine that includes turning off screens an hour before bed, and maybe reading a book or listening to calming music. Exercise is another key player in boosting progesterone. Moderate exercise like walking, swimming, or cycling can help regulate your hormones, but be careful not to overdo it. Too much intense exercise can actually have the opposite effect. Herbal supplements can also be beneficial. Vitex, also known as chasteberry, is a popular herbal remedy for balancing hormones. But always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. And finally, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Both underweight and overweight can lead to hormonal imbalances. A balanced diet and regular exercise can help you stay on track. To wrap it all up, boosting your progesterone levels naturally involves a holistic approach. Focus on a nutrient-rich diet, manage stress, get enough sleep, exercise moderately, consider herbal supplements, and maintain a healthy weight. Small, consistent changes can make a big impact on your hormonal health. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more health tips and information. Take care, and here's to a balanced, healthy you.